Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Tutorial Vic, and if this is the first time of joining, you're super welcome. This channel is all about products reviewing, and we talk about skincare. We review products that work and we tell you the one that works and doesn't work. Okay, so sit right back and relax and watch to the end because all information is actually very important. Today we're going to be reviewing Amlactin 12% lactic acid moisturizing lotion. I'm sure you must have seen this in lots of places, but today I'm going to tell you what works in this cream and what doesn't work. Let's read what it says. It says it boosts healthy skin renewal through gentle exfoliation, leaves dry skin soft and smooth, deeply moisturizes and non-grazing. First of all, I want you to know something. I want you to understand something in this cream. This cream is actually for dry skin. Alright, yeah, it's when they say it boosts healthy skin renewal through gentle exfoliation. Yes, actually, it does have oil and moisturizes dry skin. When they say exfoliation, you all know what is exfoliation. Lots of creams doesn't exfoliate the skin. They just moisturize. Lots of cream just moisturize and not exfoliating, because exfoliating is majorly the work of scrub, body scrub, like when you use it to remove the skin cells from your body. But this cream actually exfoliates the skin. Okay, when I was using this cream, what I noticed is this. First of all, it's very good for dry skin. So if you're struggling with dryness, like you can see, it contains oil. Like this one, I just rubbed the lotion, my hand is shining. It's very good for dry skin, for those of us who have dry skin. So you can get this because it's nice. Why I bought this cream is because I wanted to tone my skin, because I used one cream at one certain time and it made me really dark, so I wanted to tone my skin. Okay, and that was why I bought it in the first place. It also reacts very negatively on the skin when you are exposed under the sun. I had to buy it to be using it as my night cream for intention of toning my skin, not like whitening, but to tone and look a little bit lighter. But at the end of the day, I noticed that this cream doesn't make you fair. Amlactin doesn't lighten the skin. I used it for more than 2 weeks. Oh my god, I was really dark and although glowing, but it doesn't lighten the skin because it's expensive. 20 something thousand, more than 23,000 naira, so I don't have to lie to you. I have to tell you the truth, so I don't waste your money like I did. I bought it because I want to tone my skin, so it doesn't tone. It doesn't make you light. If you want your skin to glow, yes, it glows the skin. And two, because it contains lactic acid doesn't really work well under the sun. It will burn your skin if you are exposing yourself under the sun when you're using it. So it's recommended that you use it at night. It's recommended that you use it at night only. Okay, so this cream exfoliates the skin. Unlike other creams, this cream works like a body scrub as well. Yes, it removes dead skin cells, and yes, if you have pigments on your skin, if your skin is not balanced, if you have burns, if you have things you suffered from your previous cream, or you have reactions on your skin, okay, like rashes, eczema, lots of things, like there's some things that happens to female legs and it will be squeezed in front. Okay, this cream may be the best cream for you because it will unify your skin and remove every pigment on your skin and unify your complexion. But if it's to whiten and tone, this cream doesn't tone. Okay, it contains water, which is aqua, ammonium, lactic, mineral oil, glycerin, dermaticon, steroid 21, glycerin, steroid SE, potassium, and so on. So this cream contains the major ingredients here is the lactic acid, which it contains. The lactic acid is supposed to make you fair, but then it doesn't make you fair. So this cream is just for dark skin who wants to balance their skin, who want their color to be sweet and beautiful, repair skin, remove damages, remove pigments, unify, softens the skin and glow the skin. That's what this cream does. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I love you. I want to see you next time on this channel. Please tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye.